Hey everyone, this is Kevin Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. Today we are not unboxing one thing, we are unboxing two things. The Wingfeather Saga Season 1 and Season 2 on Blu-ray and DVD combo pack. This is an animated series that was kickstarted by Angel Studios and is pretty much given away for free on their app and on YouTube. So if you want to watch the show, you can just watch it for free on one of the many options they provide. If you really like it and want to support production of more seasons, apparently they have 6 or 7 seasons planned, with the third one finished right now, then you can do things like buy these discs. Now, I will address the elephant in the room. Darn, it sounds like one of them's loose already. Yeah. Yes, since it is Angel Studios, that means that this does have a religious bent. But look, I'm going to tell you something. Some uh, Christian shows have gotten a lot better. I mean, back then we did have Adventures in Odyssey and Nagimi, which were pretty good, but we also had so many terrible series. I think Christian entertainment would not have the bad reputation it did if there were more series like this, and of course Veggie Tales. But so anyway, let's take a look at these seasons. So here's season 1, which has most of the main characters with some of the enemies in the background, although the main antagonist is largely kept out of view. And on the back, you can see there's 6 episodes, has a TVY7 rating, and the animation style is made with computers, so it's made to look 2D, so that's always nice. Then you have the second season where you start to see some of the weapons, because obviously the journey has been progressing a little bit more. You see a little bit more of the main antagonist on this one. And the second season has 7 episodes. Apparently, I don't know exactly how it works or how they decide this, but each season rotates between 6 and 7 episodes. There's things like commentary and trailers. Now, one thing that's a little disappointing is that there's been a lot of making of special features on the YouTube channel, and I don't know why those aren't on these discs. Hopefully, they'll put them on one of them. But let's open season 1 first to see what it looks like. The discs and everything. Do they do anything special with disc artwork and things like that? As you know, a lot of companies are cheaping out on that. Will Angel Studios, of all places, be the one to make their discs look a little bit more pristine? Okay, so, well, first of all, there is merchandise you can buy, and there's the app that you can watch this on for free if you're not sure. So, okay, so there's no background picture. I don't know if I was expecting that, but I do like that they are putting images on the discs. And here's something that's kind of cool. They have all the episodes on one Blu-ray and all the episodes on one DVD. Now, I suspect for budgetary reasons, I think future seasons will only have the Blu-ray or the DVD, or maybe they'll continue to combine them. Like say, hey, look, just one product, whatever one you want, you're just going to get it in that one product. Oh, I gotta put this back. Like, what am I thinking on that one? That thing kind of gets in the way, doesn't it? So, wow, how did I completely mess that up? That's okay. Angel Studios, fix your inserts. All right, so I guess we now know what the second one is going to look like. It's probably going to have the artwork on the front cover on the Blu-ray disc, and then they'll have like something more generic on the DVD disc, as well as an insert encouraging you to buy more stuff to support the show. So, yep, there's the DVD disc. It's more straightforward. I guess they had new merchandise. Oh, that's different. I guess they didn't decide to do the fancy artwork for the Blu-ray. Little disappointing, although let's be honest, it's not like it's that important. There's still artwork on it, which is the main thing. So anyway, I'm primarily doing this unboxing just to bring attention to the show that I think is really good, actually, and criminally underrated. And here's the thing: you don't have to buy these if you don't want to. You can watch this on YouTube on the Angel Studios app, totally free. They do the pay it forward system, but if you do like the shows like I do, and you want to see more seasons like I do, then I bought the Blu-rays because it's like, yeah, I would like to have them on physical media. I'd like to support more seasons of the show. It's really nice to have a good Christian show that, for lack of a better word, isn't dumb. Like, it actually can have a Christian bent to it while still being exciting and interesting. And those stories do exist. And I mean, Angel Studios, they deserve a lot of criticism. Not all their movies are great, but I think this is something that they can definitely be proud of. And so I am proud to buy these Blu-rays and support them just because they're good shows, not because I'm on a mission or anything. I don't do political purchases, if you know me, but I do like this show, so I'm going to recommend it. And look, if you haven't seen it, of course you can check it out on YouTube, like right now. But I'm curious, what do you think of the show? If you've seen it, did you buy these Blu-rays? What do you think of the packaging? I'd like to know. Comment below, and I'll see you at the movies. Take care, everyone.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to. It is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.